We'll have an upcoming sale, yung 11/11 sale namin. Huwag sila masyadong mag-focus sa gear.
Magandang araw mga ka-creators! Nandito ulit tayo ngayon sa isang episode ng Your Next Buy.
Welcome to Your Next Buy. Dito sa show na to, hindi lang produkto ang bida, kundi ang mga lugar, tao at diskarte na bumubuhay sa bawat negosyo.
Hi guys, Leo, right?
Yes, sir.
My name is Vittorio Velasquez. You can call me Vit. Yeah, that's my nickname.
Paano kayo nag-start, sir, sa Clicks?
Click started not as Clicks Cameras. The former name was Tipid Camera Select. And Tipid Camera started, I think, 6 years ago. We started out selling pre-owned Sony cameras, mga ganyan, and then we added, other brands like Fuji, Canon, Nikon, and then last July we launched Clicks cameras sa Facebook, dun din sa same page ng Tipid Camera Select.
Saan kayo located ngayon, sir?
Dito pa rin sa old office namin sa San Juan, sa Quadrillion Mansion, 804 Quadrillion Mansion sa San Juan, dito sa may corner ng Endomingo in Pasadena.
Sa may burger machine, sir, no?
Yes. Sa baba namin, yung corner namin is yung burger machine. Actually, that's the landmark. In tapat namin mismo, Petron gas station.
Okay. If ever, sir, kung starting photographer, saan sila pwedeng maka-reach out kay Clicks Cameras?
We sell a wide range of cameras kasi dito sa Tipid Camera, sa Clicks. Sa Clicks, we sell from, yung mga compact cameras up to yung mga mamahaling cameras na DSLR, even
Sa online, sir?
DSLR online. Meron kaming website, clickscameras.com, but we prefer to communicate or deal with our customers sa Messenger, sa Facebook Messenger.
Hindi kayo, sir, nag-walk-in or nag-meet up dito na malapit?
Yes. In fact, within Metro Manila, ang delivery namin is free. Yeah.
Okay.
Merong mga taga-provinces, usually south yan, sa Cebu, Davao, ganyan, order sa amin. Siniship namin sila yung mga items via LBC. That's COD and COP, or cash on pickup, cash on delivery siya.
Since you are, sir, photographer din, if you, may ibibigay kang tips sa mga beginner content creators or let's say photographers, ano yung mabibigyan yung advice, sir?
Let's see. And one thing for sure that I can advise mga baguhang photographers dyan is wag sila masyadong mag-focus sa gear. It's okay if you have the money to buy new gear, new camera, new lenses. It's okay. But my advice is really to focus on their skills first. You can learn with a very small compact camera with just one, fixed lens. You don't need to buy like a 100,000, 200,000 worth of gear para lang matuto ka. It's like, para kang nag-drive ng Toyota as compared to nag-drive ng Ferrari. Yung skills mo, pag nag-drive ng Toyota, tapos nag-drive ka ng Ferrari, ganun din naman. So unless, you upgrade your skills, you learn as much as you can, you keep shooting out there, whatever it is you're shooting, and you learn.
So, sir, meron pa kayong other promotion, sir?
Well, we'll have an upcoming sale, yung 11/11 sale namin this coming November, and we're going to offer Holy Land products at discounted prices. So, as kung gaano kalaki yung discount na yun, just stay tuned na lang sa website namin or sa Facebook page for the announcement.
Clicks Cameras for your next buy.